So this is the internet LED sign, and since I've sent it live, I've had thousands of people from all over the world send messages straight into my office just by going to the website, dropping their message into the form on the site, and then watching it come through via the live feed on the page. It's a bit useless, but a little bit of fun, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own. The first component I'm going to show you is the DMD, or dot matrix display. Now, I've used 4 of these across the board there. And they come pretty much all ready to go. So effectively you've got a ribbon cable here with a little component to plug straight into the digital pins on your Arduino, and then on the opposite side you've also got a set of pins here where you can plug another ribbon cable to daisy chain up a few of these together, just like what I've done there. Now they don't actually have to be horizontal, they can go vertical, or you can put them in a configuration like a 2x3 or something like that, and you just set that up in your code as to how that configuration is going to sit. They also come with their own library, which you put straight into your Arduino sketch, and away you go. Now there's also these little 5-volt connectors here where you can plug an external power source in if you want to make the LEDs a little bit brighter and give them a little bit more kick. So that's the first component to putting this together. The next thing you need is an Arduino with Ethernet capability. If you don't have one, you obviously need to get some form of Ethernet module to attach to your Arduino because you've got to get the message from somewhere. Now I've used an optional component here called the Watchdog Timer module. And what this does is basically it waits for a little ping from your Arduino. If it doesn't receive that within a minute, it resets the Arduino. And you can set the time to be 1 minute or 5 minutes, and all it is just a line of code that you put in the loop somewhere that you know is going to get hit within that minute, and if the timer doesn't receive that within the minute, then it just resets everything. Now I needed to put that in because I found after about every 400 messages or so, the Arduino started to fall over or it would lock up, and this just got around that for me. Now the next component to this is the website. So as you can see here, what I've got is a simple form on the website. This is a little bit of PHP script here which sends the message straight through to my MySQL database and queues it up to be displayed. Now the live webcam stream that I'm using here is YouTube live streaming, and I'm connecting to that using a streaming piece of software. Now there's a lot of them out there, there's quite a few pieces of freeware, you just need to try a couple and see which one works best for you. So that's it for a quick overview of the LED internet sign. Get on my website and send me a message or two, and then check out the rest of the pages for a little bit more detail about putting one of these things together for yourself.